If you're like me, packing isn't your favorite activity. Deciding what to bring along with you to wear on your cruise can be difficult. On deck, you want to be casual, but not too casual. And at night, you want to be dressy, but not too dressy. If you'd like to get some great outfit ideas for your next tropical sailing, as well as some practical packing pointers, please keep watching. Hello everyone, I hope you are having a splendid day, and if you're new here, welcome. Planning out my wardrobe for cruises is how I avoid overpacking, but sometimes instead of packing, I procrastinate. And that's when I usually turn to YouTube to watch videos on cruise outfit ideas. Now it's my turn to give you a little motivation if you're cruising soon in the Bahamas or the Caribbean, or if you just want to see what people wear on cruises or on Virgin Voyages specifically. Because I recently sailed with my mom on the Scarlet Lady, I thought it would be fun to show you what I wore, but also some of the outfits that she wore. My mom is a bit more glamorous than I am. She loves the sparkle, and she was so cute, and she was such a good sport to model for this video. And finally, I'll show you some outfits that our fellow passengers wore on the Scarlet Lady. Oh, I have a complete Caribbean cruise packing list that I will link in the description box for you, just in case you want some packing pointers. But without further ado, let's dive in. So let's start with Embarkation Day. Now, for Embarkation Day on any sailing, I want to be incredibly comfortable but still look cute. You never know if you're going to be stuck in line at the port, so you want to be as relaxed as possible. Remember, if you check your luggage, it may not arrive to your stateroom until that evening. So bring everything in your carry-on that you might need until your luggage arrives. And if you plan on going to the pool, you may want to carry on your bathing suit and sunscreen. Nothing is easier than slipping on a dress and flip-flops. I always wear a hat on Embarkation Day so I don't have to pack it, and I always carry a beach bag with a regular purse inside. This dress is from a place called Soul Society Boutique, and it is located in Fort Lauderdale, and it is where I get almost all of my cruise wear. Fortunately, they have a website, and I will put the link in the description box in case you like the style that I'm wearing in this video. This video is not sponsored, but I do recommend checking out Soul Society's website if you are looking for some affordable, comfortable, and cute cruise wear. Now, you'll notice later on in this video that my mom stuck to a palette of black and white so that she could mix and match separates during the cruise. This cruise, I took a different approach and brought mostly dresses. So here's another one of my day looks. It is just a simple cotton tank dress, also from Soul Society. I love how colorful it is, and it just screams cruise to me. It's cute, it's comfortable, and this style of dress is absolutely perfect to hang out on the deck or go to the beach. Here's another one of my day looks. Surprise, it's another dress. You'll notice in this video that I do show a lot of different bags, and I do take a lot of bags with me on cruises. I absolutely love bags like this one. They take absolutely no room in your suitcase because they're so easily folded. And bags like this, I use these almost like packing cubes. I'll use these to pack undergarments, bathing suits. Although they do take a little room in the suitcase, they also serve a purpose. And here's the last of my day looks, jean shorts and a tank. If I'm wearing neutrals, I love to add a little color, and I absolutely love these yellow sandals. I also like how the hardware on the belt finishes the look. A stylist once told me that she considers belts the bow on the present. It brings it all together. I took a couple pics of people on the cruise who I thought had great outfits. Virgin is resort casual all the time. There is no formal night or dress code, so these outfits are perfect from day to night. Now let's move on to the fun part, evening looks. Let's look at some of my mom's outfits first. Here is one. She's wearing flowy black pants and a tank. This would be a fantastic day look with flat sandals, but she made it more dressy with heels and fantastic jewelry. Next is my favorite of my mom's cruise looks. It's just a simple white cotton dress from Boston proper, but it looks very glam with her Betsy Johnson bag. She is so cute. This would also be adorable on the beach. And this is another of my mom's evening looks. Black pants, a sleeveless top, and another great Betsy Johnson bag. I think it's so smart how my mom kept her cruise wardrobe basically black and white so she could mix and match and keep it easy breezy. And this is the last of my mom's looks. Capris, a top, and great heels. And this time she added a little red evening bag and red sparkly earrings. This was her Scarlet Night outfit. On Scarlet Night, you're supposed to wear a splash of red. You don't have to wear all red, although a lot of people do. I'll show you some more Scarlet Night outfits a little bit later. Here is one of my evening looks. It's just a simple sundress with bronze sandals. This dress is from the brand Veronica M, and it's also from Soul Society Boutique. Soul Society carries a lot of the Veronica M brand, and one thing that is so great about her clothes is that they are wrinkle resistant. I have the dress right here. No matter what you do or how you ball it up or how you pack it, it always looks absolutely perfect. And here's another one of my evening looks, and this is actually a top and a skirt. I wore the top with shorts on a sea day. I like to have a few pieces in my wardrobe that I can wear more than once to keep packing light. For cruises, I really like simple outfits without a lot of fuss, especially for Caribbean sailings. And here's my final evening outfit, and this one was for Scarlet Night. I love these pants. They are from Anthropologie, and I've actually worn them on previous Virgin cruises for Scarlet Night. And finally, here are a couple pics of other sailors and what they wore on Scarlet Night. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd also like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do lots of different cruise videos, and I would absolutely love it if you would join my traveling party. If you have any great cruise packing tips, please leave them in the comment section below so we can all learn from each other. If you'd like to talk cruising with me just a little bit longer, I will link 2 videos at the end that I think you might like. The top is 10 unique and useful items that you may want to bring with you on your next cruise. And the bottom is 15 fast facts you should know before sailing on the Scarlet Lady. Until next time, I hope you have happy and safe travels. I appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. Bye.